we're gonna need glass, egg and vinegar. I'm using white vinegar. What we're gonna do, put this egg in the glass and then put some vinegar up in there and leave it. Alright, it's been about 12 hours and it's time to take it out. Let's see how it looks like. Oh snap. Looks like we need to clean it up a little bit. So check this out, this is naked egg. What if I put a light on it? Check this out, isn't that cool? And it's smooshy, very smooshy. Check out this bouncy egg. You guys wanna see it bounce? Oh shit. What's up everybody, safety is #1 priority, and for this experiment we're gonna need grapes. You get your grape and cut it on one side, like that. And then cut it like this in the middle, but not all the way. As you can see when I open it, there's a little bit of skin attached to each other. So now we're gonna put it in the microwave and make some plasma. Normal bag and just like stab it like that. Boom! Still leaking out. Fail again, man. Today we just need 3 eggs, 3 glasses, table salt, and first we're gonna fill up regular water. And then we're gonna drop the egg in there. Let's see what happens. It sinks. Then we're gonna fill up second with water, but put salt in there. Put a lot of salt in there. Around 14 spoons. Then mix it. It's all mixed up now, looks like. Now put an egg in there. As you can see, it floats. Then get another glass and put a lot of salt in there. Put water up in there, with this much. A little bit more than half full or half full. Then mix the water. Let's put this egg in the salt water. As you can see, it floats. Now we're gonna get fresh water and put on top of it. Let's see what happens. You see egg floating in the middle. Tell me why. Why does that happen? This one floating on top, this one drowned, and this one floating in the middle. Dollar bill, any kind of money that you have with the face on it, you know, like this one portrait. You can show this to your friends and they're gonna love it, because I showed it to my friends, they all laughed and we had a good time when it was kind of boring. So let's check it out. Alright, first we're gonna need is fold by his mouth, by the end of his lip, like in half. Make sure all these angles 90 degrees matching. And then we're gonna fold the other one by the end of his mouth right here. And again, make sure it's 90 degrees, like that. And you see we got 2 creases. Now we're just gonna get these 2 creases and fold them together, like this, on the same similar side. You see how it's working out? Okay. And now check this out. We got normal $10 bill, but now he got sad. You guys see it? Normal $10 bill, but he got sad, and then he got happy. Sad, like look, he's about to cry. Happy. Normal. We're gonna put $1 on top of a bottle like that and put quarters on top. Using just one finger you have to take off $1, but coins have to sit there. This is how you do it right now, I'm gonna show you. Moisture your finger, coin stays there, $1 is off. Put $1 on top of a bottle and put some quarters on top of a bottle. So you moisten your finger and just smash it right here. Karate chop. And quarters staying up on the bottle. We just need a glass with water and paper clip. Ask your friend to make this paper clip float. Every time you're gonna put it, they're gonna sink. So ask them to put it on top and you see it's gonna sink every time. And here's the way to do it. Get one of yours paper clip and bend it like that. Hold it by the top like that and put this other paper clip on top like this. And then set it down on water. And you see, it floats. Alright, let's light up our candles. And now let's put a jar on top of it. And watch what happens. Today we just need 4 glasses of water or any kind of containers you can hold water in. 2 glasses cold water, 2 glasses hot water. Well, it have to be pretty warm. And for the hot water we're gonna get red, you know? It's pretty good. Call them red. And for the cold water, blue. Stir it up real quick. Alright, I'm gonna be using this plastic thing to hold this like that so water wouldn't come out. And first I'm gonna put cold one on top of a hot one. Hopefully I'm not gonna spill anything. Let's slide off. Alright, this is good. Now I'm gonna pull this thing out. Put the plastic out. Do you see, guys, what happening? The colors have changed. Now it's kind of purple because the colors have mixed together. You see that, guys? So now let's move this one on side over here, and now let's put the hot one on top of the cold one and we'll see what happens. Alright, we got this same way. We're gonna do this one. Put on top of it. On top of the glass. Match it. Gonna pull out the plastic bag and see what happens. You guys see the difference between these two? So do you guys see the difference between these two glasses? Why this one is mixed up and kind of purple color now, and this one is still blue and red. So if you guys want to explain why this one doesn't mix and this one does, I would appreciate it in comments below.